Hi learners! In our previous video, we have already learned about the meaning of an assembly language. In this video, we learn about the meaning of assembly language programming ALP and see how this language works practically in programming. First of all, we know that assembly language is one step away from using machine language, would be to write the program using mnemonics rather than opcodes for the instructions as we have studied in our previous lecture. Assembly language means to use mnemonics for addresses and data as well as for instructions. It is a language which uses English words called mnemonics. A mnemonic is just a letter which is usually initials or shortened form of English words for the operation performed by the instruction. For example, mnemonic for the subtract is SUB, sub. Writing programs using mnemonics to solve specific problems is called assembly language programming ALP. Now, let us discuss structure of assembly language programming or syntax of assembly language statements. The assembly language programming has a definite structure. Its program has 6 fields: memory address, labels, mnemonics, operands, opcode, comments. Memory address is the 16-bit addresses of memory in the system where machine code is stored. A label is a symbol or group of symbols used to represent an address of specific statement. Usually, they are followed by a colon. Labels are optional. Now, move forward the operation or mnemonic. It must be included in every statement except those which are purely comment. An operand may or may not be required depending upon the nature of the operation. This field contains data, memory address on which the operation is to be performed. We will study these in upcoming lectures. Opcode is an instruction code or operation code which is stored in hexadecimal numbers in memory. For example, 76 is for HLT, halt or stop the instruction. The comment is always optional and may be included in any statement. Comments are intended for the convenience of the programmer and to facilitate proper documentation of the program. It is used for documentation of a program. Let us take an example of an assembly language program. This is a program for storing the data at specific memory address. Memory address is 2000, mnemonics LDA, operands 2501H, opcode 3A, and comments load accumulator with data from memory address given by the instruction that is 2501H. Next is memory address 2003, mnemonics STA, operands 2502H, opcode 32. Comments store the result from accumulator to memory address 2502H. Next memory address is 2006. Mnemonics here are HTL, opcode is 76, and comments are halt, stop. This program stored the result from accumulator to memory address 2502H. First of all first step is to load the data from memory address given by the instruction, that is 2501H. LDA is a mnemonic used to load the data in accumulator, which is a processor register. Here, 2501H is the address of operand. Next step is to store the result from accumulator to memory address 2502H. Here, in this program, 3A is the opcode for LDA instruction and 32 is for STA instruction, 76 is for halt. These opcodes are predefined according to the architecture and manufacturer of processor. They cannot be changed by the user. At last, the instruction is stored by using HTL instruction. Here, program starts at the address 2000. When interpreter reads the opcode at this address 2000, it automatically knows the command following will occupy 3 bytes in total because it contains 16 bits address, that is 2501, and 8-bit of opcode. So next instructions STA will be at 2003. Similarly, next halt will be at 2006 address. Thank you.